As the world turns here in Columbus, Ohio, um, I'm back here, middle of August. I was here about a month ago when I first came to Columbus. Thought I'd stop by here and get a drink of water. It looked like a little park of sorts, little plaza, little pavilion, little rest area. You know, you got a lot of benches here and stuff. So I thought I'd drop in for a spot of water on a July hot, humid day. But no such luck. The only water was with the fountain there, the globe in the center that's covered in water. Um, no luck. Also, I was kind of led out, if you will, of this pavilion park or whatever here by a bird, a mother, a female bird that was nesting here. And of course, I didn't know it at the time, it being middle of the day. Having found no water, I couldn't understand why this bird kept like attacking me, or like on my back, and like running into me and going by me and flying by me. And I was like, what is your problem? It's been a while. The last time was in Phoenix that this happened to me. It was like, in Phoenix one early morning as I was walking around the city downtown. I noticed this one tree that if I got near it, this bird would like come out of nowhere and start badgering me and swooping down on me. And I couldn't, it's like, what is going on here? It's like, and you're ducking and you're dodging it, but you're getting out of the way. And that's exactly what mommy wants to do, because mommy is just trying to protect the home, her home, her home. And so, so I learned, it took me a while. It's like, what is that, bird's problem? Was it a pigeon or anything? And, I don't know about birds, but it was like, what is your problem, bird? You're crazy. It's like, then I realized it's just mommy protecting home and babies in home. Same thing when I was here last month. It was like I couldn't see it with the sun in my eyes and the bird on my back, but today, a month or two later, this empty nest here I have found here on this August morning, as I sit and kind of recover from the night before and watch the world turn here. Sort of a homeless workshop.